Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 3.5 of pre-algebra math part 1. Multiplication, division, properties of equality. We have a 24-point skill sheet here for classwork. And then we have 2 points here for notebook taking. Students, here is your bell work today. Teachers, give your students write the verbal sentence as an equation. Which number is solution to this? Give your students about 5 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back for our solutions here. Here's your solution up here as a verbal sentence and solve 3x minus 8. So 8 less than 3 times the number is 3x minus 8 is equal to negative 3 plus twice the number, minus 3 plus 2x. And then you just solve for x. You get x equals 5. And then down here, which number is solution of the inequality of up here? You solve your inequality, move this over here, and it would be 0. 6 is greater than or equal to 2. So let's see here. Which number is solution of the inequality? B plus 2, C, F would be 4 here. C, negative 2, B plus 2, 4 plus 2. Is a solution. 4 plus 2 is greater than 6. Yeah, 0 would not be. Negative 1 would not be. Negative 2 would not be. So F would be your solution. Okay, into our lesson, solving inequalities using multiplication and division. You solve two-steppers. You'll solve the inequalities using multiplication and division. Geese migration, so you got 16 hours non-stop. They migrate as far as 848 miles. What average speeds can such a flock fly during migration? So when each side of the inequality was, as shown below, when each side of the inequality 2 less than 8 is multiplied by a positive number, the inequality remains true. Each side is multiplied by a negative number, the inequality sign must be reversed. So 4 times 2 is less than 4 times 8. 8 is less than 32. That's still true. This is still valid here. But when you multiply it by a negative 4, it changes the direction. Negative 8 is greater than negative 32. When you use a negative here instead of a positive, it'll change the direction of your inequality sign. Okay, so the rules for solving inequalities. Multiplying each side of inequality by a positive number produces an equivalent. Multiplying each side of inequality by a negative number and reversing the direction that inequality symbol produces an equivalent inequality. So A less than B, C greater than 0, then AC is less than BC. But if A is less than B and C is less than 0, then AC is greater than BC. So when we multiply by a negative number here, it changes the direction of the sign. So let's get into an example of this. We have m over negative 3 is greater than 3. So if we multiply out to get rid of this fraction here by negative 3, it changes the direction of your inequality sign here. And then when we solve this, these cancel. M equals negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So m for the solution of this, m would be less than negative 9. Okay, let's solve a inequality here. Guided practice. Graph your solution. Hey, there's a number line. Hey, there's a number line for you students. Pay attention up here so you can solve your students. Okay, let's do our guided practice. Here's the solution to your guided practice. You multiply through by a negative 4 to get rid of this quotient here. And when you do that, you change the direction here of your inequality to the other way. So t is greater than or equal to negative 32. Here is the graph of that. And it's a solid circle because of your partial equality here. You have a partial equality sign here. Students, do this one on your own. And that is part 1. Of lesson 3.5, part 2 and part 3 are available here, as well as your other course materials. Thank you very much.